Okay, so here we have a DSE 2021 question paper, and question number 6 we are trying to solve. They have given a right angle triangle that is two equal sides of 1 inch. One of the sides drawn horizontally is divided into n plus 1 equal portions. On each portions after the first, a rectangle is formed with the height equal to the vertical distance from the left hand portion of the hypotenuse of the triangle. So find sum of the areas and its limiting value. Okay, so here one triangle is like this, in one unit wise it is reducing, and the same thing happening over here. So that's 1 1 2 3 in that way is going down. So width of the rectangle is which is being formed is 1 by n plus 1. Height of the first rectangle is equal to 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, so that is n by n plus 1. Height of the second rectangle 1 by 2n plus 1, so n minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so in that way height of the nth rectangle is 1 minus n by n plus 1, so this will be 1 by only n plus 1. Okay, so sum of these areas will be one by n plus 1, taking common, 1 by n plus 1, 2 by n plus 1, dot dot dot, n by n plus 1. Okay, so this is the final sum. We can take n plus 1 common, and 1 plus 2 dot 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 n. So n into n plus 1 by 2, so finally it will be n 2 into n plus 1. So if you just try to match up with this, so 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by n will go with it as n tends to. So sum of the areas will be equal to half. So this is the case, and this option is correct. Let's go to question number 7. Which of the following true if mod x equal to 1, y equal to this, which of the following is true? So these kind of questions, so let's go for the expansion first. X square plus 2x is cubed by 3 minus this. This goes to infinity. So y equal to log of 1 plus x. So 1 plus x equal to e to the power y. So x equal to e to the power y minus 1. So 1 plus y by 1 by factorial 1, y square by factorial 2 dot 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 minus 1. So in this case it will be y by 1 factorial y square by 2 factorial only. In that way y to the power k by k factorial, where k equal to 1 to infinity. Clear? So here directly matches up with option number 3.